Hey guys, Ben here from WoodWorks, and today I'm going to show you how to make these matching cutting boards for a griddle and the countertop. So let's get going. So I'm going to be making these two cutting boards out of walnut and maple. The first one is going to be 11 inches by 18.5 by 1.5 inches, and that is going to have two 1-inch strips of walnut and maple and one 3.5-inch strip of walnut and maple, and the smaller one is going to be 9 by 12 by 1, and for that one I'm going to have two 3/4 inch strips of walnut and maple, and then one 3-inch strip of walnut and maple. So I will put a picture of the plans I have on the screen, but let's go. Okay, so here they are. These things turned out awesome. This one is actually for a griddle at my grandma's house, so they're both from my grandma's house. This one's gonna sit on her counter, and this one fits perfectly into her griddle. I'll put a picture up right now. These were really fun to make. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll have my Instagram right here on the next slide, so go follow that, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.